Hey Plan Advisors, so today I just wanted to do a quick video on LinkedIn. I know not all of you have a LinkedIn account and we're trying to get on social media, so this will kind of help. Like when people search for you on Google, if they type in your name, a lot of times, like for myself, the LinkedIn profile comes up pretty high on the Google search, and that's kind of what you want. Say, hey, these people, they do have the professional business page set up and all of that stuff. So LinkedIn, on top of that Facebook that we did before, is another thing that you can add, and it doesn't take very long. So I'm going to go and show you kind of how to do that. So first, let me go and show you the screen. First, you go to linkedin.com, and because for those of you that don't have a LinkedIn yet, click on the Join Now button. And for this one, let's go. I don't have a Plan Advisors one just yet, so I'll go type in Matt at planadvisorshawaii.com, and then let's just type in some password. So remember the password you type in. Agree and join. First name, last name. So now it offers you to save the password. I usually click yes because I can't remember everything. So go to save. For those of you that want to retype it in every single time, just put never and it'll never ask again. So we're in the United States, and this is the office zip code. So I'm just going to keep going next. Recent job title, Medicare agent. We like to put in Medicare specialist. And then most recent company, we Plan Advisors Hawaii. And then click continue. Don't click the I'm a student. Industry. You can either choose, I know that they have finance, you can put financial services, or they have insurance. It's really up to you. I usually put in financial services because it's more kind of a larger umbrella of things. So now to the email, they sent me a code. So I'm going to bring out that code. Now you'll have a different code, but the email will look like this. So my code is at 705992. So I'm going to type that in here. 705992. Agree and confirm. That's my email. And I'm not going to link an account, so I'm going to just close out of this. So let's skip this part, because this part's going to ask you all the kind of suggestions that are nearby and contacts. So for now, we're just going to skip. For here, you can add a photo, so if you do have a photo, go ahead and add one. I have a photo, so I'm going to go and find it. There it is. Open it up, and that's where I want it to be. You can move it if you want, kind of front and center. Save photo, continue. You can put in your phone number. Actually, this is to get the LinkedIn app, which you don't have to get. I can just let you download it. I actually have the LinkedIn app already on my phone, so I'm not going to do this part. And then pretty much for this part, don't put any of this, because then it'll start giving you like LinkedIn kind of advertisements. And for now, you can pick this stuff up later. So for now, I wouldn't suggest doing anything. Continue. And boom, you now have a LinkedIn page, and within this LinkedIn page we can do a lot of different things, and I'll make a video later on how to do things like that. For right now, it's not that important for us to do that just yet, especially now with this video. We just want to kind of just get you folks started, get one up going, and now you have one. Remember the password, and we can start growing the LinkedIn page from there. If you guys could get this stuff started, sometime this week or late at night, or when you got a free moment over the weekend, that'd be great. That way we can start, utilizing and posting different things on each of your social media sites. That way you have your own name out there tied to Planet Advisors Hawaii. So when people do look you up online, your name will come out, and it'll be something kind of like that you yourself control. So what we don't want, and why we are pushing a lot of the social media stuff, is we don't want when someone types in your name for them to not, either one, not find anyone, two, find someone like some obituary of someone that has your name that passed away in the past 100 years, or to have anything that come up that might be something that you don't know. Like could be someone with your same name that has a picture or profile somewhere in Florida, or even worse, someone who was a criminal or something, right, that comes up. So we want to make sure that when someone types in your name, or typed in your name on Google or on any search engine, that what comes up is something like this. And LinkedIn and Facebook typically come up really high when you do Google search. So try and create one of these when you do got time this week. And we'll be posting more videos on what to do once we've gotten this far. Alright, you guys have a great rest of the day. Bye now.